What if one device could handle your lecture notes, digital textbooks, assignments, research papers, online classes, and maybe even replace your laptop? Well, a few tablets are finally getting close. Let's count down the 5 best options for students. At number 5, we have Lenovo Idea Tab Pro. I'm going to say something that might annoy spec sheet warriors. Most students don't need flagship performance. They need a tablet that survives 4 years of lectures, PDFs, research papers, Google Docs, and last-minute assignments at 2 a.m. That's why the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro earns the number 5 spot. For roughly $350 to $450, depending on configuration, you're getting a huge 12.7-inch 2944 by 1840 display running at up to 144 Hz. For textbook reading, that's a massive advantage. I've watched students struggle with smaller tablets for semesters, constantly zooming and scrolling through PDF textbooks. The Lenovo's larger screen simply makes studying less annoying. The Dimensity 8300 processor paired with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM is more than enough for student workloads. Split-screen note-taking, browser research, online classes, and document editing happen without drama. The 10,200 mAh battery is another huge win. Most students can realistically go through a full day of lectures and library sessions without panic charging. The stylus experience is surprisingly good. Handwriting latency is low, palm rejection is reliable, and PDF annotation feels natural. But here's where Lenovo loses points. The keyboard ecosystem and software experience still feel one generation behind Samsung. Everything works, but nothing feels truly optimized for replacing a laptop. Can it replace notebooks and textbooks? Absolutely. Can it replace a laptop? About 75% of the way there. For budget-conscious students, that's still impressive. At number 4, we have Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. I think the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro exposes one of the biggest myths in the tablet market. Spending more doesn't automatically make you more productive. At roughly $450 to $600, depending on region and storage, this thing delivers a ridiculous amount of value. The 11.2-inch 3200 by 2136 display is sharp enough that reading academic PDFs feels almost like reading printed material. The 144 Hz refresh rate also makes handwriting feel noticeably smoother than many students expect. Powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 with configurations reaching 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, performance is never the bottleneck. In actual student life, that means dozens of browser tabs, lecture recordings, research databases, AI tools, and note-taking apps can stay open without turning the device into a laggy mess. The stylus is excellent, although it's usually an extra purchase. Handwriting feels precise, palm rejection is dependable, and annotating textbooks becomes second nature after a few days. Battery life is excellent, while 67-watt charging means even students who forget to charge overnight can recover quickly before class. My criticism is simple. Xiaomi's software still doesn't feel fully developed for productivity-first users. The hardware often feels premium. The multitasking works, the keyboard is decent, but Samsung still feels like it understands how students actually study. This tablet can absolutely replace notebooks and textbooks. It can even replace a laptop for many majors, but the overall productivity ecosystem keeps it out of the top 3. At number 3, we have OnePlus Pad 3. This is where things get serious. The OnePlus Pad 3 is the first tablet on this list where I genuinely start questioning whether many students need a laptop at all. The reason is simple. Everything feels oversized in the right way. The display, productivity space, multitasking capabilities, battery, and performance all seem designed around actual work rather than media consumption. The 13.2-inch 3392 x 2400 display is one of the best study screens available. Students underestimate how important screen real estate becomes when writing notes while referencing textbooks, journal articles, and lecture slides simultaneously. Once you use a display this large for research work, smaller tablets start feeling restrictive. Performance is absurdly good. The Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with up to 16 gigabytes RAM and 512 gigabytes storage, is complete overkill for student workloads, but that overkill translates into fluid multitasking, instant app switching, and years of future-proofing. The stylus experience is excellent. Low latency, accurate handwriting, and reliable palm rejection make long lecture sessions comfortable. The keyboard accessory is also one of the better Android keyboard solutions currently available. Battery life from the roughly 12,000 mAh battery is exceptional, and fast charging means downtime is minimal. The reason this isn't number one comes down to software maturity. Hardware-wise, it's incredible, but Samsung's note-taking ecosystem, productivity tools, software support, and DeX experience still provide a more complete student package. For students who want a true laptop alternative, this is where the conversation becomes very convincing. At number 2, we have Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. I know some people expected the more expensive tablets to automatically rank higher. I disagree completely. In fact, I think the Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus is one of the smartest purchases a student can make. The reason is value, real value, not marketing value. For around $650 to $750, students get a massive 13.1-inch display, Samsung's excellent software ecosystem, years of updates, and most importantly, an S Pen included in the box. That matters because hidden accessory costs are one of the biggest scams in the tablet market. The Exynos processor isn't going to win benchmark competitions. I don't care. Students don't submit benchmarks to professors, they submit assignments. The S Pen experience remains one of the strongest in the industry. Samsung Notes is still one of the best note-taking platforms available. Handwriting feels natural, palm rejection is excellent, and PDF annotation workflows are genuinely outstanding. The larger display transforms textbook reading and split-screen productivity. I regularly see students using one half for lecture slides and the other half for handwritten notes. That's where tablets begin replacing notebooks for real. Samsung DeX is another major advantage. It's not a Windows laptop replacement, but for research papers, presentations, email, spreadsheets, and cloud-based coursework, it gets surprisingly close. Honestly, for many students, this is the sweet spot. It replaces notebooks completely, replaces textbooks completely, and replaces enough laptop functionality that carrying multiple devices starts feeling unnecessary. At number 1, we have Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. If a student asked me to spend their own money as carefully as possible and buy one device to replace notebooks, textbooks, and most laptop tasks, this would be my answer. Not because it's the most expensive, because it's the most complete. The 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display remains one of the best screens available for studying. The contrast, brightness, and readability matter when you're staring at textbooks, lecture slides, and research papers for 6 hours straight. Performance from the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, paired with 12 GB RAM and up to 512 GB storage, is more than enough for serious productivity. Students can run Samsung Notes, browser tabs, PDF viewers, Office apps, AI tools, Zoom, Teams, and cloud storage simultaneously without issues. The included S Pen is one of the biggest reasons this tablet dominates student workflows. Handwriting feels almost paper-like. Palm rejection is excellent. Latency is so low that the technology disappears into the background. That's exactly what you want during a fast-paced lecture. Samsung Notes remains the gold standard for Android students. PDF imports, synchronized notes, audio recording integration, handwriting search, and organization tools create a study system that can genuinely eliminate physical notebooks.
Then there's Samsung DeX. This is where most Android competitors lose. DeX turns the tablet into something that feels much closer to a traditional computer. Research, writing, presentations, file management, and multitasking become significantly easier. After years of watching students use technology, I've learned that the best device isn't the most powerful one. It's the one students actually carry, actually use, and actually rely on every day. That's why the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus takes the #1 spot. It isn't just a great tablet, it's the most convincing student productivity machine on this list.